Building your online business is the subject of today's video, and this is the perfect time to be building an online business, working from home. Hello, my name is Bill Morrow, and I've been working on internet marketing for about 9 years now, and I can tell you I have now found the perfect system. This is what I've been looking for all those years. I've had so much in the way of bits and pieces, never completed things, a little bit missing here, there, and whatever. That's the sort of thing that I'm sure you've all come across. But now I have found this system which works completely. It's done all on video, and the video is simply done piece by piece so that you have one detail to complete. So you watch a video, finish it, do what the video instruction tells you, and then go on to the next video. And by the time you have reached the end of the course, you have a business. You have actually set up your online business. It's as simple as that. But 3 things are involved. First of all, there is the software, which we now have. Next, you have a computer, right? So most of us have access to a computer. Then the third thing that's needed is the will to succeed. That does not come in the package. That is you, my friend. You have to have the will to succeed. It all starts here, and say, right, I've seen something, I want, yes, but you have to build a business, and to build a business you have to work at it to make the thing complete. And this is where it all comes in, my friends. The fact that you have to put the effort in, you have to have funds to be able to go for extra bits of software and so far to build your business, because it does not come in a box. It comes with all the information to run the system, and then you have to put the pieces together to fill the whole thing and make everything work. And as I say, you start with the information at the beginning, you go through the information, and by the time you get to the end, bang, you've got a business. And that's exactly what you're going to get. Now, I am run the business, I am doing it, I have completed it, and I found it exceptionally good in every way. And I will guarantee you that should you come onto my list down below, I will give you more information about the system when you come down. And in that way, you're going to start off at full gallop. You're going to be there with all the information you need to be able to get you through the system. And all it is the will to do it. And only you can do that. And if you're starting at this, if you're looking, it means you have the intention of doing it. Now the intention, that once you get the stuff, you then have to take the action to do it. I will be in the background. I will be at the end of your email list, and you can contact me at any time. No, not 24 hours a day. I do sleep as well, you know. You can contact me and I will get back to you and guide you through anything you're finding a bit difficult. There is no problem with that at all. So all you got to do now, my friends, is get down onto the list, click on the link in the description area. When you'll be taken over to join the list, just put your email in there. You'll then get further information from me, and we will be on our way together. Talk to you soon.